Indian shuttlers P V Sindhu on Thursday defeated Japanese Aya Ohori in Japan Open 2019 clash at Tokyo. The victory booked Sindhu's place in the women's singles quarterfinals of the Japan Open. Despite her defeat in the first game, she bounced back in style to get the better in the second game. In 61-minute-long clash, Sidhu defeated Aya Ohori 11-21, 21-10, 21-13 in a second-round women's singles match. While B-side Praneeth also took himself to the last 8 stage of men's singles with a straight games win over Japan's Tsuneyama. Praneeth defeated Tsuneyama 21-13, 21-16 in a men's singles encounter that lasted 45 minutes. The win at the BWF World Tour Super 750 tournament on Thursday extended Sindhu's head-to-head record to 8-0 over Ohori. Sidhu will next face the winner of the match between China's Chen Xiaoxin and 4th-seeded Japanese Akane Yamaguchi, to whom she lost in the final of the Indonesia Open last week.